Welcome to Express Arts, our innovative theater curriculum designed to ignite creativity, foster collaboration, and cultivate confidence in our students. Our curriculum is carefully crafted to align with grade level standards while providing engaging and immersive experiences for students. Structured into modules, each grade level explores various aspects of theater art, from character development to scene creation, allowing students to delve deeper into the world of performance. In each lesson, students are encouraged to actively participate, express themselves, and think creatively. Our teachers also play a pivotal role in guiding students through the curriculum, providing explicit instructions and facilitating meaningful discussions. Interdisciplinary activities integrate subjects such as English language arts and social studies, allowing students to make connections across different areas of learning. In addition, social emotional learning is seamlessly woven into our curriculum, fostering skills such as empathy, communication, and teamwork. For our English language development students, research-based strategies are incorporated to support language acquisition and comprehension. At the culmination of each module, students are able to showcase their newfound skills and talent in a final performance, celebrating their growth and their achievements. Our theater curriculum is not just about putting on a show. It's about empowering students to become confident, creative individuals who are ready to take the center stage of their own lives.